How does $80,000 a year still feel like zero? Let's follow Daniel. He's 32, lives in Austin, works in tech. His salary is $80,000. After federal tax, state tax, Social Security, and Medicare, his take-home is about $5,100 per month. That sounds solid, but his rent is $1,900 for a one-bedroom near work. Car payment and insurance is $620. Student loans are $340. Groceries and utilities run $700. That leaves $1,540. Then the credit card from last year's move and the new sofa take $400. Phone, subscriptions, and gym take $120. Now he's at $1,020 left for everything else. One car repair or medical bill, and the month is gone. The mistake isn't the $80,000. It's that every raise got assigned before it arrived. Daniel's rent was $1,400 3 years ago. When his pay went from $65,000 to $80,000, he upgraded to $1,900. That's $500 gone. Car went from $350 to $620 because he deserves reliability. That's $270 gone. Dining and travel crept from $300 to $600. Another $300 gone. Total, $1,070 of new spending. His raise after tax was about $900 per month. He is $170 poorer on $15,000 more income. That's lifestyle inflation. It's a tax your own brain charges you. Why does this happen? 2 reasons. First, income growth feels like permission. A new number in the bank creates a feeling of safety, so you buy back time and stress with upgrades. Second, fixed costs are invisible. You set rent and car payments once, then forget them. Your brain stops counting them as choices. Credit card minimums do the same. $180 feels small, so it never triggers a rethink. But $180 for 20 years at 22% costs over $40,000 in interest. Let's run it forward. If Daniel kept his old $1,400 rent and $350 car, he'd have $770 extra per month. Invested at 7% average return, that's about $9,900 per year going in. In 20 years, it becomes roughly $405,000. Instead, that $405,000 is now sitting in his landlord's portfolio and his car dealer's profit margin. The paycheck to paycheck feeling at $80,000 isn't a math problem. It's a margin problem. No margin, no vead. Financially aware people do one thing differently. They freeze lifestyle for 24 months after every raise. The new money gets a job before it gets spent. It goes to kill debt, fill an emergency fund, then invest. They treat rent and car as ratios, not feelings. If housing, transport, and debt cross 50% of take-home, they know the calendar is no longer theirs. They don't budget for the minimum. They budget for the balance. That's how the same $80,000 builds options instead of payments. Earning more doesn't fix spending that scales faster than income. The way out isn't earning $120,000. It's keeping the margin from the $80,000 you already have. When your debt stops charging rent, your calendar gets free. If this made the math clearer, consider subscribing.